Hey, Ellis Smith here at the SoHum Living Soils headquarters in Denver, Colorado. Thanks for tuning in today. Get a lot of questions about what are the different uses for SoHum, if it can be used on a commercial scale, is it better for a home use? And the answer is yes to all of those. We have used it, originally for the home use. That's how we originally developed the soil. But over the last, I'd say 10 plus years now, I've been using this commercially on large scale. And so it can be scaled with the right automated watering systems. You can do top drip systems. We like to recommend using a bottom feed watering system, but that's your choice. And then if you're a home grower, top water hand watering works great. Bottom feeding works great as well. We like to use a capillary feeding system. There's a couple of different brands out there that make them. Check them out, but SoHum is very versatile for that use. I personally use it at home. I put one plant outside in the summertime. My workflow is pretty simple and stupid. I do use an automated watering system to where every Sunday I go check out the reservoir. I empty out the remaining 1 gallon of water left in that reservoir. I refill it back to that 10 gallons that it will hold. And I don't really check on the plant until every Sunday to refill that water. And so it works great at home. It works great on scale. We've got clients and partners of ours that have never grown before and are growing under 1,000-watt lights, and under that metric of pounds per light, they're able to get 2 pounds of light for never even growing